Here we are making multiple function to find the volume of the some solid figure which come in mensuration. So here we have declared a main class, you can see, and the volume object. Okay, as this is a prototype, so class I have declared in downward. So here we have written that find the volume, and we have given number from which the user can choose and can put the order of number, and then he can find the solution of particular cube. If he want to find the volume of qubit, then he have to click 3, or volume of cube 2, and it's like that only. Then here I have made a scanner class to take a user input and then directed it into switch case from the find. Okay, then here I have given an int name, as the input should be 1 2 3 4 only. So here the if the user I have given the next class int for input. Okay, then first if user click on one keyword, means one number, then he will see the method of spare. Okay, and it will be print out if 2, then the other one cube, qubit, and 3, like that up to 4 number. And in same way I have also made a total surface area method also, that he will particularly get that answer only. Now you can see the class volume. I have made one class volume, where first method was spare, where the radius I have taken double because the value might be many times, or after point I not want two value, I want more value for accuracy. So here I have put in that you can see uh, pi value directly 3.14, except 22 by 7. So for then I make the scanner class sp name, and I have asked the also sorry tell the user to input the radius. Okay, then again I have assigned 1.33 because of the sphere volume formula. We have to find 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. So I have directly finded the value of 4 by 3, 1.33. Then I have print out the volume of sphere. As I am using void, so I am printing here only. If I am using int, then I have to call here only. Okay? So I am using void, so I have called here only. Okay? Then I have finded the volume of surface and surface area. Okay, and then next I have made like that cube where float is side, and all you can see that volume is sphere sorry cube, and the surface area of cube I have written. Now see third class cuboid, and fourth class our cylinder. Okay, now I am running this, then you will see what is happening, or it's correct or not. Then I have run it, where there is something wrong occur. One time again trying. Now see, here written clearly find the volume. Volume of sphere, volume of cube, volume of cuboid. If I have to find volume of cube, so I am entering 2, and now I am enter it. Then it's automatically jump to a class of cube. You can see it can jump direct to class to cube. Now what side we are providing inside, you can enter. Let's I am entering 2, then its outcome should become 8, as the volume of cube is a cube, side is cube. Now I am entering this, and you can see here the volume of cube is 8 and surface area is 24, because surface area comes to 6 into side square. Okay, if I want to enter another, I can also enter another. So see here the time complexity is more. Why? Because I have allotted many times scanner or print ln. So Rupkamal sir said to maintain the time complexity, but I am not maintaining here, only direct I am solving the problem in Java. As my many friend used to solve this problem in C, but I can't, as you can say again. Now see my outputs in terminal. I'm entering here, you can see volume of cuboid cylinder. Then now we will find about cylinder. Okay, let's find out cylinder. Then the volume of cylinder is on 4. I'm clicking 4 and entering. So here asks that enter the radius of cylinder. Okay, so first we have to width might be 3.2. Okay, sorry, 4.2, and height should be 8. Okay, so you can see I've used double, so the value as after point as many for the accuracy I've used. So you can see that volume of qubit is 443.116,759, and it is in, and surface area will be of qubit will be 50.2410. And you can see here one more decimal icon that I don't know why. It might be I am using double. It can I will change it into float again. Then you can see what float height width float. I'm using float only. It might be some accuracy problem. I'm not understanding what the things is happening here. But this is the this in how we can create. Uh, Here we create how we create the to find anything volume in mathematics or in mensuration chapter. We can find directly easily like that in Java language. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.